everyone. We're back here with the G127 Math Minute, and today we want to work on building the foundation for fractions. If you're not aware, one of the reasons that many people dislike math is because of fractions. All right, early on in elementary school, addition and subtraction students generally enjoy. They can do it, it's not so hard, and they find it fun and engaging. But later on, times tables and then fractions especially throw a lot of children off. So in introducing fractions to your children, there's really an important English phrase they need to know and understand, and it's this phrase, out of, okay? So when you have a child describe a fraction, you don't want to start by talking about 2/3 or 3/4 or 1/2, but you actually want to start with this phrase, out of. So I have some simple drawings here, which you could, make at home, all right? And you have this fraction here. And if I ask Sophia, I'd like you to look at this and tell me, what fraction is the color green? What fraction is the color green?
2 out of 3.
Right, it's 2 out of 3. As they begin to get a handle on that phrase, out of, it's really important. And that will make the fractions become much, much easier as they get older, all right? So we need that phrase, out of. So, Sophia, let me ask you one more question about this drawing here. What fraction of this drawing is white? What fraction is white? 1
out of 2.
1 out of 2? There's 2 space.
2 out of 3. I mean 2 out of 1. And
1 out of
2.
Nope. How many are they all?
3.
1 out of 3. What fraction are white?
1 out of 3.
1 out of 3. Okay? And as you can see, it wasn't so easy to go to the white because she's used to doing with the color. All right? So let's look at another one. All right, Sophia, look at this. What fraction of this is violet? What fraction is violet?
1 out of 4.
Okay, 1 out of 4. And notice I'm not concerned with her saying 1/4. That will come a lot later. But if she can say 1 out of 4, the 1/4 will not be hard later on. Let's try again and see if she can get the white on this one. What fraction of this drawing is white?
3 out of 1.
It's 3 out of all of them.
3 out of 4.
Right, so 3 out of 4 are white, 1 out of 4 is violet. Let's try another one here. Okay, what fraction of this is orangish brown?
3 out of 2.
Nope.
3 out of 5.
Okay, it's 3 out of 5, all right? And you see
2
them
out of 5.
are what color?
White.
Right. And you see the confusion that children will have. They'll count the colored and they'll count the blank and they'll use those two numbers. And for fractions, they need to count the colored and then count the whole. All right? And you got to get them very fluent at doing that. So we have these objects, and I'm going to give Sophia these objects, and I'm going to ask her what fraction of those objects are purple. What fraction are purple?
3 out of 5.
Okay, 3 out of 5 are purple.
2 out of 5 are blue and red.
2 out of 5 are blue and red, right? What fraction is the blue? How many blue are there?
1.
Out of?
1.
1 out of all of them. How many are all of them?
1 out of 5.
Okay, 1 out of 5. What fraction is the red? Look at the red.
1 out of 5.
Right, 1 out of 5. So as a student can do that with a group of objects, they can take a group of objects and realize that they're counting one part, the purple, and then counting all the objects. So it'd be 3 out of 5 are purple, or if you say what fraction of the red, you could say 1 out of 5 are red, all right? So learning that phrase out of and using it appropriately will really make fractions actually come quite natural to your child. All right, so we hope that will help you and your child as you tackle fractions in the coming years.